cup of strawberry ripples on a summer noon. And every time we talk in the light, you make me smile from ear to ear. It's amazing how amazing could be to weak a word for someone. How do I tell how I feel to a person so real? You're so much better than words can say. I drown when I realize you could have just passed me by without taking so much as a second look. Every day I die, I wouldn't know what I would have missed. Blessed was the night we said hello. I always knew that when time was due, I would meet that certain someone who'd tell me things I've always wanted to hear. Could it be your wish come true? I smile when I talk, I skip when I walk, I sing old love songs in the shower. There's a possibility that you were made just for me. I found a place where I want to belong. I drown when I realize you could have just passed me by without taking so much as a second look. Every day I die, I wouldn't know what I would have missed. Blessed was the night we said hello. Let's go back to the night we said